Hi everybody, my name is Alex and I'm going to do a quick demo of a program that I wrote. So first let's imagine a scenario. We have data on millions of loans and we have 50 employees that are responsible for overseeing those loans. And each week they need a report of how their particular loans are performing. So obviously to do this manually would be a very tedious task, but with a simple program, this could be done fairly easily. So let's see what we have here. So this program runs in Python. It will read a MySQL database. It will clean the data. It will tell the user if any of the data is missing certain values which are needed, and then it will also add some new columns such as profit and loss percent, and so on. And then it has the functionality to create reports. So it can create a PowerPoint which already includes all of the graphics, all the formatting, so none of that needs to be done manually. It's all already done automatically. And then it can also create reports in a Excel format, and the type of output can be changed fairly easily. So let's see how this runs. So this program runs in the terminal window, but a graphical user interface could be added fairly easily as well. So first let's type in Python, then name of the program, which is lcloandata.py, and the name of the database. Now this database is based on loans issued by Lending Club, and we have data on nearly 1 million loans that were issued over the last few years, and it's publicly available and can be found on Lending Club's website. So okay, so now we type this in, and finally -H for help to see what functions are available. So again, as I said before, we see that we have option to export all data to Excel, a summary by loan grade, which in this case is the value that Lending Club assigns to their loans based on their perceived creditworthiness, and finally the ability to create a PowerPoint. So first let's test the PowerPoint. And we just replace the H with this command and enter, and it does take a few minutes, a few seconds to run because there is quite a bit of data, but it should be done fairly shortly. Okay, so now we see that it's finished running, and it tells us how many records have been read, if any of the records are missing a status value, and if any of them are uncategorized. So now we can just open the PowerPoint. Just 1 second. Okay, so in this PowerPoint we see that it already, again, as I said before, it includes all of the graphics. We have just a brief summary of the, let's say, the outstanding principal, the percentage return, and of course all of this would change if our underlying data changed. And then we have a table of loan data by loan grade, and this is also all entirely customizable. And okay, so next let's have a look at the export to Excel function. So we could just do, let's say, CSV by grade, and it will run in just a few seconds. Alright, looking good. So again, it finished running, gave us some status updates, and we have our file here. Okay, so as we see, this is in Excel format. We can use this to create some pivot tables or some charts or anything like that. That's all very easy to do.